Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, fellow adventurers, to Wildhorse Islands. Earning money in this beautiful game is key to expanding your stable and acquiring fantastic items. Thankfully, there are many engaging ways to fill your pockets, ensuring you can enjoy all the wonderful features the game has to offer. We will explore some of the most effective strategies so you can make the most of your time playing this delightful game. One of the easiest ways to start earning is by gathering resources. Look for wood, stone, and various plants scattered around the islands. These are often in demand. Fishing is another fantastic option, as different fish types sell for varying amounts. If you enjoy a more consistent income, consider setting up a farm. Planting and harvesting crops can provide a reliable source of coins. Beyond simply collecting, crafting adds another layer to your earning potential. Combine your gathered resources to create tools, furniture, or other valuable goods that players often need. Always keep an eye on current market prices, focusing on items that sell quickly and for a good profit. Once crafted, you can easily sell your creations directly to other players or list them on the auction house for a smooth transaction. This method can be quite lucrative. Don't forget the steady income available through quests and events. Each day, check for new daily and weekly quests. These often offer direct coin rewards and can be quite straightforward. Participating in special in-game events is also highly recommended, as they often provide unique currencies or bonus coins. Interacting with non-player characters, or NPC, can also unlock new quest lines, giving you more ways to earn. Make sure to explore all these opportunities. To truly maximize your earnings, remember to invest wisely. Use your accumulated coins to upgrade your tools, expand your farm, or acquire recipes for more valuable crafts. Most importantly, focus on the activities you genuinely enjoy. Consistent effort in something you love will naturally lead to more money and a more enjoyable game experience. Stay updated on game patches and market trends. These can open up new lucrative avenues. Happy earning, and enjoy your Wildhorse Islands adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.